Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the festivals. We celebrate many festivals in our country. We can name some of them like Dashera, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Guru Parv, Christmas, Pongal, Onam, and national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. So, today we will study some of these festivals in a little detail. The first festival that we are going to learn a little more about is Holi. We all love the festival Holi. You know why? Because it is a festival of colors. It marks the coming of the spring season after the winter is over. People play with gulal, which is a colored powder, and colored water. Some people make a sweet dish which is very special, which is known as gujia at home. I am very sure, children, all your mummies must be making gujias at home at Holi. People have a lot of fun on Holi. Another festival that is celebrated in India with a lot of excitement and happiness is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights because we decorate our houses with diyas and light up the whole country. People celebrate Diwali to mark the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. On Diwali, people pray to Goddess Lakshmi and ask her for her blessings. People exchange sweets and gifts with their relatives and friends. People also decorate their houses with beautiful diyas and light bulbs. Another important festival is Eid. Eid is celebrated on the day after Ramzan. Ramzan or Ramadan is the month of fasting. On Eid, people wear new clothes. Prayers are offered in the mosque. People wish each other Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called Semia is cooked in their families. People give money and clothes to the poor in form of charity. Next is Guru Purab or Guru Parv as we call. It is a festival celebrated by the Sikhs. People remember the 10 Sikh Gurus and their noble deeds and teachings. People pray in Gurudwaras, which are very beautifully decorated. They listen to hymns from the holy book Guru Granth Sahib. They go on musical processions. Gurudwaras serve free food to all. This is called langar. Next is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Churches are decorated, special prayers are held there. People put up Christmas trees. They also exchange gifts with relatives and friends. Special cakes are baked for Christmas to distribute and give to friends and relatives. Next festival is Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in the month of January. The celebration lasts for 4 days. People wear new clothes and decorate their houses for the celebration. A sweet dish called Pongal is cooked with jaggery or gur. Children and adults enjoy eating sugarcane during the festival. Cows are worshipped during the festival of Pongal. Now we come to the next festival, that is Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated for 10 days. Thiruvonam, the 10th day of Onam, is the most important day of the festival. People wear new clothes. They decorate their houses with floral designs called Pookalam. Boat races are also held. Special boats called snake boats take part in these races. People enjoy watching these boat race. They also prepare a special feast which contains lots of dishes called the Onam Sadhya. Many varieties of payasams, that is, a sweet dish, are also prepared specially during the festival of Onam. Now we come to the national festivals. In India, we celebrate 3 national festivals, that is, Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. First national festival is the Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January every year. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. School children in colorful dresses take part in the parade. Some children are also given the National Bravery Awards. The next national festival is Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. It was on this date in 1947 that India became free from the British rule. The main celebrations of Independence Day are held at Red Fort in New Delhi. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag and addresses the nation at the Red Fort. We remember all those people who fought for the freedom of our country. The third festival that we celebrate as our national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is the birth day of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi helped us to get freedom from the British rule. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Bapu. We also address him as the father of the nation. A short summary. Holi is the festival of colors. Diwali is the festival of lights. Eid is celebrated after Ramzan. On Guru Purab, people remember the 10 Sikh Gurus. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu and Onam is celebrated in Kerala. We celebrate three national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti.